Shifting gears now as we track Hurricane Fiona, the Category 1 storm making landfall in the Dominican Republic overnight after slamming Puerto Rico with life-threatening floods. And the hurricane is expected to build strength once it passes over through the DR and heads towards Turks and Caicos.
And hurricanes expert and storm surge expert as well. I'm Michael Lowry here, is tracking it all for us. Michael, take it away.
Calvin and Eden, it's hard to put into words what happened over the weekend in Puerto Rico other than it was tragic and heartbreaking. This was a low-end, sort of mid-range, I guess, Category 1 hurricane, but it goes to show you what sort of devastation even the weaker-end storms can cause. Take a look at this track of this storm. It made landfall yesterday afternoon around 3:20 Eastern time there in Puerto Rico, which is on the southwestern part of Puerto Rico. 85-mile-per-hour Category 1 hurricane. But take a look at some of these reports from the island. A wind gust to 103 miles per hour there on the southern end of the island, and these extreme rainfall totals are just incredible. I mean, these are historic rainfall amounts, over 2 feet of rain, 28 inches of rain there to the north of Ponce, and then 25 inches there on the in some of the mountains there in the central and southernmost part of the island. So this was a very impactful hurricane, made a little bit of a jog through the Mona Passage as it approached the Dominican Republic, made landfall on the southeastern side of the Dominican Republic about 12 hours to the minute that it made landfall in Puerto Rico. All right, here's a look at the visible satellite picture this afternoon. You can see the little dimple here. That is the eye of strengthening Fiona that is exiting the Dominican Republic and then moving in the direction of the southeastern Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos here over the next few hours. Turks and Caicos under a hurricane warning here. This is the forecast. We're not expecting this one to come toward the mainland United States. Certainly no threat to us here in South Florida other than some rip currents that it's going to cause at the local beaches. But you can see the forecast here is for this to become pretty strong. In fact, it could become our first Category 3 or stronger hurricane. And unfortunately, Bermuda, which was in the path of Earl, or at least near the cone of Earl just over a week ago, now square in the center of this one, could be a very strong hurricane as it approaches Bermuda for the latter part of the week. Okay, I want to talk about what else is happening across the tropics because we do have some other areas that we're watching here. There is an area there in the central part of the subtropical Atlantic. Not worried about this one, obviously that one going to the north, but we are going to watch this one here, this tropical disturbance that's going to be moving toward the Eastern Caribbean here for the latter part of the week. Right now, it's going to take its time to organize, but certainly something we're going to talk more about here in the coming days. Eden and Calvin, back over to you.
Okay, lots going on in the tropics. Thanks a lot there, Michael.